Come, listen. Did you hear it? When I stepped on the brake just now, the front wheel kept making a sharp squealing sound. The repair shop asked me to change the brake pads. The price quoted was $800. $800? Why don't they just rob it? Let's replace it ourselves. It's very simple. First, remove the tire. Get an adjustable wrench. Remove the screw under the brake wheel cylinder. Then get a screwdriver and insert it. Pry like this to return the brake wheel cylinder to its position. Then lift up the brake wheel cylinder. Next, let's take off the brake pads. Look, there are many hard spots like this on this brake pad. A groove has been worn out on the brake disc. No wonder there was a harsh sound when I stepped on the brake just now. Generally, in this case, we use sandpaper to grind off the hard spots on the brake pads, and the noise will disappear.